In this video, I'll show you how to contact Meta support through Business Manager step by step. If you're having issues with your Facebook page, ad account, Business Manager, or other Meta business tools, you can contact Meta support directly from Meta Business Suite. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the Facebook account that manages your business. Next, click Help or the question mark icon in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. From the menu, select Help and Support, then click Contact Support if the option is available for your account. Choose the business asset you're having problems with, such as your Facebook page, ad account, or Business Manager. Describe your issue clearly, attach screenshots if requested, and submit your support request. If live chat is available for your account, you'll be able to chat directly with a Meta support representative. Otherwise, Meta will respond through email or your support inbox. You can check the status of your case anytime from the support inbox in Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.